I have here a bit more than what I actually need for today's chapli kabob, but I just love to pre-cut my green onions and store them, so I'll also show you how to do that. Things first, I'm gonna go ahead and chop the heads off of all of these, clean the skin off, and then put them together for chopping. Brought out my ingredients for the kofta mixture for chapli kabob. We have carrots, jalapeno pepper, and onions. I'm going to wear gloves for the jalapeno pepper, and when I de-seed them, I will take out all the white and the seeds inside so that it's not spicy. My family doesn't prefer to have spicy food. We don't have a high spice tolerance, but traditionally chapli kabob is actually spicy. So you would keep the seeds and you would add a bit of pepper in the mix as well. I will be skipping that part for the sake of my family, but feel free to add it into yours for authenticity. I'll only be using about half the bag of the carrots, and I'll be grinding those first since they require a bit more grinding than the onion and jalapeno pepper. Let's begin. Of the vegetables done, we are going to add this to the bowl of the green onions I had set aside for chapli kabob, and the spices and the chicken, and we'll get this mixed up. I'm going to put some gloves on so my hands don't get dirty, and yeah, let's get So what I was adding here is the chickpea flour, which is essential to chapli kabob. As you can see, this is an amazingly healthy dish because almost half of it is just veggies. I use ground chicken. You're welcome to also use ground beef. We're trying to be health conscious, hence the chicken. And I used about 2 pounds of it. And what I was trying to get in the consistency of the kabob is to make sure it absorbs the water from the veggies without getting too hard and thick. So you can kind of see the texture that I achieved here is a nice, tender, moist kabob without being so moist as to fall apart. I'm going to now roll them into the size of sliders, which is smaller than usual, but I'm doing that because I'm making chapli kabob sliders this time, an American fusion dish, not my traditional larger chapli kabobs that they traditionally come in. What I've got here is a flat pan that has 12 edges. I'm going to fill with oil, heat it to high, then lower the heat to medium so that the chapli kabobs cook through well but don't get burnt. are my slider buns. These are really great, a small little size, and I've chopped cucumbers, and I have some mint yogurt that I made before. And I'm going to assemble together my chapli kabob sliders. So let's begin.